So people are asking how to use the filter in Instagram using the Hello Kitty. It's just like this. You have to go on the normal mode and just swipe until the end. That's the search button. You have to click it and then search for Hello Kitty. There you go. Then you can search for a lot of Hello Kitty effects. But my favorite is this one, Hello Kitty by Dentro. This one, that one. So when you press it, just click it, click to try it. There you go. I'm trying it. Do I look like Hello Kitty? And then take a screenshot. I mean, take a snapshot. And there you have it. That's how to use the Hello Kitty filter. If you want to save the filter, because you want to use it a lot of times, you can do it in Instagram. Just click on the effect and then click this one, this button below. There, it saves to your camera. You can see it here in front. This is the first one that I'm always using, and this is the second one that I just downloaded. So cute, right? I have a lot of freckles, but this is a lot.